We travel from Trezonia to Itia to be safe from a thunderstorm. We see some firefighting seaplanes, and I finally get a boater's haircut. Good morning! We are on our way to Itia. We've just left Trezonia. She's behind us. We left it at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are doing 6.4 knots at the moment. We've already done 2.4 nautical miles. So good progress. We're going to be into Itia around 10:37 if all goes to plan. There is no wind this morning. I think it's day 21 on the water. We've done about half an hour of sailing. The rest of it's been motor sailing. We have a bit of a problem with my haircut, but that's not why I called. We have a bit of a problem with our fuel gauge. It's constantly showing it's full, even though we know it's not full, of course. We've filled it up with 2 20-litre cans, and it still wants more. I need to figure out what's up with the gauge or the float. I need to get in there. Maybe it just needs a little bit of a wiggle. So when we get to Itia, we're going to do a full fill up. We can work out how many litres we do per engine hour, but not so much how many we do per nautical mile.
I'm so big now, and even 5 years old.
Even 5 years old. And who's this?
It's Waffle, but I don't know how old is Waffle.
Waffle's the same age as you.
How do you know?
Because I know. We've got the dinghy on the davits today. We're testing out the actual davits on this crazy yacht. Look at that. Look at the bend in that. We're not sure how well they're going to cope. They'll cope until they break, I guess. 8 o'clock in the morning. We've been travelling for 1 hour. We've done about 7 nautical miles. See the roads here that cut through the hills. And there's quite a lot of tunnels and things through the mountains at least in the south of Greece. If you're traveling from somewhere like Athens to Lefkada, you'll go through around five or six tunnels on your journey. 4-hour drive. Look at the water. It's just like glass. How's the passage going for you, Tam?
Boring.
Boring.
Not the sailing at the night yet.
Look, jellyfish! We found it! And another one. What? Yeah, the one that I just sent you. Woohoo! Wow, that's cool. We've just got on the dock and I'm sweating to my death. We were really close to the edge and so with our bow was like a millimetre away from crashing into here. But there's no bumper here. It would be better if there was a bumper. I'm sweating my head off in the heat.
And that's Nona over there. And Itia is a town in Gulf of Corinth, just to clarify. So this is the town key here. So that's keeping it nice and calm here. Just going to walk around all the way. And here you've got the local boats.
Fire planes have just scooped up water and now they are heading to the fire over there. If you look at it, there's some smoke.
Spera.
Kalispera.
Currently we're in a storm and the wind It's 13.4 knots, 14, 15 knots, 16 knots. Really high, but luckily, 17 knots, 18 knots, 19 knots.
Look at that. I'm waiting for this. Lots of days. Trying to hide from it.
That was close.
That's a lot of hair.
I already feel lighter.
How's it going, guys? Currently on Mark's and Lisa's boat at Takaya. And Chris is the hacker over there by Lisa. Mark's going to help out. I'm not sure what they're doing. Where they're going.
Too fast, too fast, too fast!
Don't worry, James. They know what they're doing. I hope.
They're about to crash.
I don't think they're gonna crash.
Flash!
No, don't say that. So, what do you think, Chris? Oh, you can't see it. I think it looks good.
Who's next?
No one.
Owner over there with SY Takaya as well.
I don't want a passport from ACS.
And we got Leo's passport from ACS via DHL UK. We're able to go now to Turkey, aren't we?
Yay! Tomorrow we're going to Turkey, right?
Not tomorrow, we've got a long way to go in Greece first, but we're able to leave Itia now. Itia's been good to us. We've lost James's Meccano car. I think we found something under the deep. Yay! What is it, James? Oh, I got my finger in the way. Ah, yay! Woohoo! Alright.
Okay, so today Daddy's flying a drone. You can see all the way up there. There's the drone. See it? So really high, so 20 meters up.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.